Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you through something truly special. A complete ultra-modern house built from bare land to breathtaking architectural masterpiece. Captured through an immersive construction time-lapse and finished with a full cinematic tour that reveals every detail of this extraordinary home. Set in the prestigious hills of Los Angeles, this project begins with nothing more than a cleared plot of earth, sunlight stretching across open terrain, and a bold architectural vision ready to rise from the ground up. As excavation begins, heavy machinery carefully carves out the footprint of what will become a striking contemporary residence defined by precision, geometry, and light. And in the time-lapse you can see the choreography of engineers, surveyors, and construction crews working in perfect synchronization to establish a foundation that will support not just a house, but a statement of modern luxury. Concrete is poured with meticulous care, reinforced with steel to ensure long-term durability, and once cured, the skeletal framework begins to climb skyward, revealing the home's dramatic proportions, flat rooflines, and expansive open-plan design. Structural steel beams are lifted into place, locking together like a three-dimensional puzzle, forming soaring double-height ceilings and vast interior spans without unnecessary columns, allowing the future living spaces to feel uninterrupted and fluid. As the exterior walls rise, insulated panels and reinforced concrete create a high-performance envelope engineered for energy efficiency and acoustic comfort, while oversized floor-to-ceiling glass panels are installed with surgical precision, instantly transforming the structure from solid mass into a transparent pavilion that reflects the surrounding hills and floods the interiors with natural light. Watching the time-lapse, weeks compress into seconds as electricians weave smart home wiring invisibly through walls, plumbers map out hidden systems, and HVAC specialists integrate climate control designed to maintain comfort without visual clutter. Drywall installation defines the interior volumes, revealing a layout centered around a grand open living area that seamlessly connects to the kitchen and dining space, all oriented toward panoramic views. Polished concrete flooring is poured and finished to a smooth matte texture, grounding the home in a contemporary yet warm aesthetic, while subtle recessed lighting is embedded into ceilings to create a soft architectural glow. Once night falls, the kitchen emerges as a sculptural centerpiece, featuring handleless matte cabinetry, a dramatic waterfall-edged stone island, and integrated appliances concealed behind seamless panels to preserve the minimalist language. Every cabinet aligns perfectly, every surface remains uninterrupted, reinforcing the discipline of ultra-modern design. In the living room, a linear fireplace is set into a monolithic feature wall clad in natural stone, offering both warmth and a focal point without overwhelming the space. Sliding glass walls stretch across the rear facade and retract fully, dissolving the boundary between indoors and outdoors, allowing the main living area to extend onto a covered terrace that overlooks an infinity-edge pool shimmering under the California sun. The staircase, floating and cantilevered, becomes an architectural sculpture in itself, its wooden treads appearing to hover effortlessly against a backdrop of glass balustrades and metal detailing guiding you upstairs to the private quarters. The primary suite is designed as a sanctuary, wrapped in glass that frames sweeping views of the city skyline, with a private terrace that captures sunsets in golden hues. Inside the ensuite bathroom, large format stone tiles create a spa-like atmosphere, complemented by a freestanding soaking tub positioned as a centerpiece, a rainfall shower enclosed in frameless glass, and floating vanities illuminated from beneath to cast a gentle ambient glow. Secondary bedrooms maintain the same refined aesthetic, each offering generous proportions, built-in wardrobes, and access to natural light that enhances the sense of openness. Back downstairs, landscaping crews finalize the exterior transformation by introducing drought-tolerant greenery, sculptural succulents, and strategic pathway lighting that highlights the home's bold geometry after dark. The infinity pool mirrors the sky by day and glows subtly at night, while a sunken fire pit lounge invites intimate gatherings beneath the stars. Sustainability is seamlessly integrated throughout the property, including high-performance glazing, solar panels, discreetly mounted on the flat roof, energy-efficient insulation, and smart irrigation systems that conserve water without sacrificing lush landscaping. The garage space is elevated beyond functionality, designed with polished floors and gallery style lighting that can showcase a curated car collection as part of the home's visual narrative. As the time-lapse reaches its final stages, finishing touches bring warmth and personality into the interiors. Curated furnishings, textured fabrics, statement art pieces, and carefully selected decor that soften the architectural lines without compromising their strength. At dusk, concealed LED lighting traces roof lines and pathways, giving the structure a floating effect that enhances its futuristic presence, and the home transforms into a luminous beacon in the hills of Los Angeles. The completed walkthrough reveals a harmonious balance between bold geometry and livable comfort, where expansive glazing captures ever-changing natural light and open planned spaces encourage both grand entertaining and quiet reflection. This ultra-modern house build is not merely about construction, but about vision realized, a seamless journey from raw earth to refined elegance, showcasing the precision, craftsmanship, and innovation required to deliver contemporary luxury at the highest level. From the first excavation to the final styling detail, every phase tells a story of dedication and design mastery, resulting in a home that stands as both architectural sculpture and welcoming sanctuary. If you enjoyed or were inspired by this video, make sure to follow my channel and stay tuned for more extraordinary luxury home tours from around the world.